Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel an order on TikTok shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your TikTok account. Yes, you're gonna have to launch your TikTok account on your mobile phone, not the TikTok shop account. So once you have launched your TikTok account on your mobile phone, at the bottom corner of your screen, you are definitely going to find the shop icon. Now, you will only find the shop icon after you have linked your TikTok shop to your TikTok account. I'm just going to quickly show you how you can link that. And after going through that process, we're just going to proceed. So from this homepage, head over to the top right corner of your screen and you have this. Click on My Account, click on Linked TikTok Account, and it takes you to this window. Head over to Link Official Account and follow through with this prompt. What do? Open your TikTok account on your mobile phone, tap Profile. The top right button, you're going to find My QR code. Select that and scan this particular code. Then confirm the link. Then your account is going to be linked to your TikTok mobile. That's your TikTok shop is going to be linked to your TikTok mobile. So once it has been linked, the bottom corner of your screen, you're going to find the shop icon. So click on the shop icon and it's going to take you right into the shop. So once you click on the shop icon, go ahead and when you click on the shop icon, you're going to find a couple of icons at the bottom of the screen, and one of them you're going to find is order. So go ahead and click on the order icon, and once you click on the order icon, it's going to take you to the order window. Now once you get into the order window, select the order that you wish to cancel. Okay, select the order that you wish to cancel. After selecting the order that you wish to cancel, go ahead and click on the item and select cancel order. So click on the shop icon, then click on order, select the order that you wish to cancel, and once you click on the item, you're going to see an option that says cancel order. So click on cancel order. Now once you click on cancel order, you're going to get a prompt that would tell you to state the reason. So signal that you want to cancel and list the reason. That's it. So once you click on select cancel order, you're going to be asked to provide a reason. Then select your reason. After selecting your reason, that's just going to be it. Your order is going to be canceled. Now remember that the power to cancel an order isn't strictly limited to buyers. So sellers can cancel orders if you don't provide payment, information to ship within 72 hours of ordering, if there's an obvious mistaken price, for example, luxury goods being sold for only €1, or if the seller experiences unforeseen changes in their stock. So that's it. But then if you follow through with the processes, click on your mobile phone. After linking your shop to your TikTok official account, you're going to see the shop icon at the bottom corner of your TikTok mobile app. So click on the shop, select orders, click the order that you wish to cancel, select cancel order, state your reason. That's it. So that's pretty much it. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.